Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Workbook. Unit 3. We have completed this full chapter in textbook and workbook also, but we have left some pages. So today we will complete it, okay? So let's start. Here. Today we will start our work from page number 30. Question number 7. Write the names of the sports and games. So here games picture given and some option given. We have to name them. Okay. So let's first read: chess, boxing, kho-kho, archery, cycling, table tennis, football, badminton, basketball, cricket, hockey and swimming. So let's see. First one is chess. So let's find out chess. So here a chess board and two boys playing. So this here we write chess. Next is boxing. So where is this game? Yes, here. So here we write boxing. Then next is kho-kho. So here some children are playing kho-kho. So here we write kho-kho. Then next is archery. So here it is a boy has bow and arrow. So here archery. Then cycling. So here it is a boy cycling here. So here we write cycling. Then table tennis. So where is table tennis? Yes, here two boys are playing table tennis. Table tennis. Then next is football. So here a ball and two boys playing football. And badminton. So here it is badminton. Then next is basketball. So where is basketball? Yes, here it is basketball. And next is cricket. So here cricket. And hockey. So second one, some boys are playing hockey. They have hockey sticks. So hockey. And last one is swimming. Here a boy doing swimming. Okay, now page number 31, question number 8. Read the poem and answer the questions. So here a poem given that we have to read, and after that we will try to give the answers. Okay. So let's read. When all the days are hot and long, and robin bird has ceased his song, I go swimming every day and have the finest kind of play. That means here a boy talking about the summer season when the days are hot and long. And I have learned to dive and I can float as easily as does a boat. I splash and plunge and laugh and shout till daddy tells me to come out. It's too much soon, I had like to cry, for I can see the ducks go by. And Daddy Duck, how I love him, he lets his children swim and swing. I feel that I would be in luck if only I could be a duck. In this poem, the boy is talking about summer season, and he said he is going to swimming every day. he has learned to dive, swimming, float, splash, plunge, and he uh, he likes to laugh and shouts while swimming. And when he is swimming, so when the boy's father asks him to stop swimming, he feels like crying. And the Daddy Duck, how I love him. In this poem, the boy sings that he likes Daddy Duck because he uh, he he lets his children swim as long as they want. So the boy wishes to be a duck. So let's see questions. First one is, which season is the boy talking about? So answer is, the boy is talking about the summer season. And what is the boy's daily activity? The boy's daily activity is swimming. What does the boy do while swimming? So while swimming, the boy dives, floats, splashes, plunges, laughs and shouts. How does the boy feel when his father asks him to stop swimming? So answer is, when the boy's father asks him to stop swimming, he feels like cry. Then why does the boy like Daddy Duck more than his own daddy? So answer is, the boy likes Daddy Duck more than his own daddy because Daddy Duck lets his children swim as long as they want. And last one is, what does the boy wish to be? So the boy wishes to be a duck. And seventh one, why does the boy want to be a duck? So the boy wants to be a duck so that he can swim as long as he want. Then last one is, write the rhyming words from the poem. So here are, I have written some rhyming words from this poem. Long, song, day, play, float, boat, shout out, cry, by, him, swim, luck, duck. Okay, now question number 9. Write the followings. Here some questions given, you have to write the answers. Okay, let's see. First one is 3 indoors games. Means here you have 3 blanks given, you have to write any 3 indoor games name. So I have written here chess, table tennis, snakes and ladders. You can write any one, any 3 like ludo, carom, skipping, any 3. Now second one is 3 outdoor games. There are many outdoor games. You can write any 3. So I have written here cricket, football and hockey. Then third one is 3 games played by a team. Now here you have to write any 3 games name that played by a team like basketball, kho and hockey. You can write any 3. Here 3 games played with a ball. So there are many games that we are playing with ball. So I have written here football, cricket, volleyball. Okay, now next is question number 10. Find out the given words from the maze. Here a maze given and some words given. These words you have to find in this maze. So like I have first one I have already done. First one is boxer. So you have to find here boxer. So I have here find boxer, boxer. Then scatter. So I have find here skater. Then same as you have to find all these words: golfer, gymnast, shooter, swimmer, sprinter, wrestler, cricketer and weightlifter. Okay. So you have to find these all words from the maze. Okay. And last is paste pictures of indoor and outdoor games and sports. So here some indoors game and some outdoor games name given. So you have to paste here pictures. So tennis, rowing, long jump, high jump, diving, gymnastics, weightlifting, kabaddi, wrestling, running, shooting and volleyball. Okay, thank you.